How to open Facebook Marketplace. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can open Facebook Marketplace, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now you don't have to create a separate account for Facebook Marketplace. Whenever you open up the Facebook application, you should be able to find the Marketplace icon at the very top of the toggle. If you don't find it, you can tap the three lines option here, look in the shortcuts tab and tap on see more, and then just look for the Marketplace shortcut, and then you will be able to browse the different Marketplace products that people are selling. And if you also want to start selling your own product, then you can tap the sell button over here. Then you can tap on whether you're selling an item or a vehicle or whatever else it is that you're selling. Select that, and after you have done that, you can list them. To view your products, you can tap your profile icon, go to your listings, and then you will be able to see anything that you have listed. So hope this video helped you guys. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.